Hi, I'm excited to share about Clark College and our 2021 through 2022 updates. My name is Abby Thompson and I use she, her pronouns. If you have any questions after viewing this video, feel free to reach out to either one of our Clark College admissions recruiters for assistance. Today, I will be sharing information and updates about Clark admissions, financial aid, upcoming events, high school visits, and our current response to COVID-19. Clark College is located in Vancouver, Washington, just across the Columbia River from Portland, Oregon. Founded in 1933, Clark College is Southwest Washington's largest public institution of higher education. An open enrollment community college, it welcomes students of all ages and backgrounds pursuing their educational or career paths each quarter. On average, we have about 12,000 students enrolled each quarter. We offer over 100 programs and have an average classroom size of 20 to 25 students. So although we have a big, beautiful, and very university-like campus, students still benefit from a more intimate community college atmosphere. At about $4,000 to $5,000 a year, our tuition is about half the cost of a Washington State four-year institution. At Clark, students can study professional technical programs that make them career ready in under 2 years, academic and transfer degree programs to prepare them to transfer to undergraduate programs, and transitional studies programs for English as a second language, high school completion and GED test prep, and college readiness preparation. We are also constantly expanding our programs and adding new options like applied bachelor's degrees. There's something for everyone at Clark College. The last few years have held many changes for us all. I'd like to share some key admissions and financial aid changes at Clark and some updates. The Clark College online application is now free for your students. So we also will be offering some limited capacity on-campus services starting September 7th. You can view all of our COVID-19 updates on our COVID-19 updates and emergencies webpage on our website. For students visiting campus, we will be opening a one-stop desk in Geyser Hall on main campus to assist students with questions in person. Our online orientation remains online. It can be found at clark.edu/orientation. All new students are required to complete the online orientation, and it's a very helpful resource. There's also supplemental virtual orientation presentations called Orientation 2.0 that are also available on the orientation webpage. They cover topics like the first day of the term and how to prepare for it, financial aid, diversity center resources, all sorts of great stuff. As for financial aid updates, just a reminder, the FAFSA and WASFA applications open October 1st. So that's coming up fast. We offer over $1 million in scholarships to students through the Clark College Foundation each year. The Clark College Foundation Scholarship application opens twice a year in the winter and spring, and your seniors can start applying in February. You can find more information about our scholarships on the scholarship webpage. COVID-19 scholarships and grant funding for graduated and Running Start students is available through the emergency grant application, which you can find on our website. And there is also book buying support for Running Start students who are on free or reduced lunches. So be sure to encourage your students to pursue that help. If you have Dreamers or undocumented students that need support, our Diversity Center team is available to meet in person or virtually, and they can make appointments by emailing diversity@clark.edu, and we would be happy to assist them. We will be announcing more events in the next few months, but in the meantime, mark your calendars for the fall 2021 counselor meeting on October 15th. During this virtual meeting, you'll hear updates from departments across the Clark College campus. You can use the QR code on your screen to register for the event. We have many options for your students to connect with us this year. You can schedule presentations and Clark meetings for your students. We would love to offer in-person or virtual resources for them. This could be a presentation, an application workshop, a Zoom room, office hours for drop-in questions and assistance, or whatever you seem to be looking for. We're happy to help meet your needs. Your students can also attend a general information session about Clark College virtually, where they can learn about programs, funding, campus life, and so much more. Family and friends are welcome, no registration required. I've got a QR code for the information session webpage on your screen there. We also offer a drop-in assistance called our Clark College Question Hour virtually, where students can go to get their questions answered about Clark. They can meet with one of the admissions recruiters during that drop-in meeting. It's a great place to get questions answered, get help with an application, explore Clark programs. Again, there's no appointment necessary, and they'll be available every Monday starting at 3 p.m. until 4 p.m. starting September 13th. For virtual assistance, students can visit our drop-in Zoom rooms for departments across campus by clicking on the Virtual Support Center located at the top of the Clark College main homepage. And finally, feel free to reach out to our team or pass along our contact information to any of your students. Thank you so much for tuning into our updates today. We look forward to supporting you and your students this year.